Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up data on Telegram. So let's get started. Make sure you have your Telegram on your device and your account logged in. Now open Telegram app and you can see this interface. Over here click on the settings that is at the bottom right corner. And here go to data and storage. Over here going to using cellular. Make sure that the slider is all the way to high and make sure that auto download media is turned on. Going back, now going to using Wi-Fi. Also make sure the slider is all the way to high and make sure auto download media is turned on. And going back, and then you can also look to your storage usage. Over here Telegram is gonna back up everything by simply downloading them. Now let's say you want to migrate all your data over to another device. Well, it is very easy. All you will need to do is simply log in into your Telegram account into another device, and then from over there you guys can basically download all your data from your chat and it is gonna be there. So guys, this is how easy it is for you guys to actually back up all of your data on Telegram. So this much for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.